Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert all a live photo to still on iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, this is my live photo. So when I'm long press, make it to live. That's mean this is a live photo. I'm just convert to still photo and provide three different way. So first way, at first select photo. As you can see, showing it to live option. Press on. Just press on to live off. Okay. Now successfully live off this photo. Okay. And the second way, press on three dot, press on to duplicate. Click on duplicate as still photo. Now make it this photo. This is a live photo and this is a without live photo. Okay. And the third solution, press on, showing it to live. Click on and deselect to live option and press on done. That's it.